Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product that I want to talk to you guys about. And basically what the product that I want to talk to you guys about is called Hinge. So for those of you guys who don't know what Hinge is, it's basically a dating app that you can use to kind of find that significant other that you guys want to be with for the rest of your life. Maybe you guys want to go on a date, or maybe for other reasons. That's all up to you guys. And I had someone who recommended to me and kind of like told me to try it out and see how it works. And they suggested I do a video about it because I actually did one about the Tinder versus Coffee Meets Bagel. So let's just dive right into it. So the first one we see right here is the profile right here. Next one we see right here is your matches. Next one we see here are the people who likes you. And right here is everyone else that you guys have to have the potential of liking or passing. The one on the far left right here is basically your profile. So this is where you can change your pictures and set like certain stuff on there. What I really like about the fact of like the Hinge app is the fact that you guys can put multiple pictures on there, but not only can you guys put your pictures on there, you guys can put like certain phrases on there. So you guys can see right here, I'm not gonna show their face and whatnot, but this is basically someone that's on the profile and whatnot. This is one of the pictures that they put on here. And then right here is like a question or kind of like a icebreaker to kind of let you guys know how they are as a person. Or maybe if they wanted to, they can ask like a question or something to see what you guys think and whatnot. But if you guys take a look right here and right here, they have like a heart. It's kind of like Tinder, swiping left and right to kind of pass or like the person. But in this case, you guys get to like the person and you guys also get to add a comment. So that way they guys can see your comment and it kind of boosts your chances of getting a match with them. So let's say if I just want to add like a comment of like, wow, that's awesome. I just add that on there, click on done, and then you guys can send a like, and there's all done. So what just happened is I sent a like to that person, but also made it more personalized. So that way it gives you guys an extra chance and boost to kind of get that match with them. And if for any reason you guys just don't want to match with them or don't like them, you guys can click on this X mark in the bottom to pass on them. But one cool feature that I want to mention to you guys is the fact that right here on the top right corner, you guys click on this button right here, it actually can go back to the previous person. So let's say if you guys pass on someone by accident, you guys actually click that button to go back to the previous person. So that way you guys can actually get another chance to like them or pass them again. But for that feature, you guys actually need to pay like a premium price and whatnot. So when my friend first suggested this app to me, I was just playing around to kind of see how it feels and whatnot, and it was very limited because I think you guys only get like 5 or 10 swipes or likes, and then once after that you guys don't get any more for the day. You guys have to wait another day to use more. So I was thinking to myself, like, if I was going to do a review or like a is it worth it video about Hinge, I have to get like a membership to actually get the full benefits of it. So I end up paying a whole month of a subscription for the Hinge app to kind of test it out. And I think it's been roughly around like 1 week or 2 weeks already of how long it's been since I got this app and got the membership. And it's been really awesome because of all the different functionality that you guys get in it. So you guys get like unlimited likes, unlimited pass, unlimited undos to go back to the previous person. You guys can basically travel anywhere and control like what ethnicity you guys want to get and whatnot. So let me show you guys what I mean about the changing the preference and whatnot. So like once you guys go to like the preference page and whatnot, you guys can adjust on the age, the maximum distance, the ethnicity, the religion, and the height, and all that good stuff on here. So you guys get to do all that, and you guys don't have to pay for like the membership fee to get all that. But you guys are limited to 5 or 10 swipes or likes per day. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider if you guys do want to get the app. And like, to be honest with you guys, I think the membership is not that bad if you guys are paying for a longer period of time. So if you guys take a look right here, if you guys pay 1 month, it's $20. If you guys pay 3 months, it's $40. But if you guys pay 6 months, it's $60. So basically you guys are paying like $10 per month to get the membership for 6 months, which is a very good deal, I think. Like, if you guys think about that, $10 that you guys are using for this app to potentially find your significant other, you're just basically giving up one lunch meal away just for that one significant other that you guys are trying to find per month. So that's basically everything that's on the app itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this app is actually worth it for those of you guys who are trying to find your significant other, especially if you guys don't have any luck on Tinder or Coffee Meets Bagel. This one is definitely nice because of the option of how you guys can actually like or pass someone just like any other dating app. But then what's really cool about this is the fact that, like how I mentioned earlier, you guys can add a comment on the person. So you guys have that option, but on top of that, you guys also get to choose which picture or which phrase or which question to like. And then once you guys do that, they actually would know which picture or which phrase you guys liked. And that will actually help a little bit with the other person so they can decide which person to like or pass or accept the like and whatnot. So pretty much long story short, yes, Hinge is worth it if you guys plan on using a dating site or want to use one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't care about Hinge or don't care about dating, or you guys have a significant other already, or you guys don't want to make any friends, then obviously don't download this or don't use this and save your time for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have